Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy pesto pasta using chicken and homemade pesto sauce. You can also use store-bought pesto sauce. To see how I make this pesto pasta, keep on watching. Here I have some chicken breasts that I've already cut up in bite sizes, and I'm using garlic powder and white pepper. You could also use black pepper to substitute. I'm using penne pasta, but you could use any pasta of your choice. And I also have my pesto sauce. I'm seasoning the chicken with approximately 1 teaspoon each of salt, garlic powder, and pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to a frying pan and fry your chicken in single layers until it's fully cooked through, then set aside. In a wok or a large frying pan, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of oil and 1 clove of garlic. Saute until fragrant. Next, I'll be adding my cooked pasta and mix well. Next, I'm adding the cooked chicken, followed by 1 cup of pesto sauce. Mix together really well until everything is nicely combined. Transfer to a serving dish and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button down below. Until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.